All right, now that we have our alien creature moving right when we click on the purple button and left when we click on the green button, we want to code these aliens to fall from the top of the screen. So I'm going to start with my pink alien, and I want him to start falling as soon as I start the game. So I need to choose the block that says on start. When he is falling, I want him to do this forever. So I can go to my control category and get the forever block. When I looked for it just a little bit ago, I couldn't find it. So if you ever can't find a block, you can always use this search right here to find what you're looking for. So what I want him to do is I want him to start at the top and then glide to the bottom. So I need to go to the motion category, and I'm going to grab this first block that says go to x0, y0, and I'm also going to get the glide 1 second to x0, y0. Now, if I had him go to 0, 0, he'd go right here, and he would also glide right here. But I want him to start at the top and then go to the bottom. So I'm going to have him start at negative 250. That would be kind of over here. And starting up at the very top, which is 400, I'm going to have him glide, start at 3 seconds to negative 250, negative 400. That means he's going to start up at the top, go down to the bottom. He's going to stay in a straight line at negative 250. So let's try that out real quick. If I press play, he's falling right there. If you want to adjust it to a little bit more to the left, you could go ahead and change it to like negative 350 for both of these, or you can leave it at the negative 250. Now I don't want to go ahead and try to find all these blocks again. So for my blue alien, for my blue alien, I'm just going to take all of this, drag and drop. Might as well go ahead and put it on the green one too. So with my blue alien, I want him to stay in the center. So for my x coordinate, I want both of those to be 0. And if I press play, I can see he's falling like that. My green one was going with the pink one because I haven't altered his code yet. So now I click on the green alien, and I want him to stay to the right. So instead of negative 250 for my x value, I need to change that to positive. And then you should see that they're all falling. The only thing is right now that's kind of boring. You want to actually like change the speeds that they're falling at so that it'll change the level of difficulty. So I'm going to make this first one 1 second, and I'm going to change the green alien. Could try like 0.5. Might be a little bit too fast. Maybe 1.5. Now they're all falling kind of at different speeds, which is going to make it a little bit more challenging and more fun to play. So you can pick out whichever speeds you want. You can also, like I said, adjust if you want this to be a little bit more to the left. You would just have to change both of these. So negative 350, negative 350. And then if you want him to be further on the right, 350, 350. Let's see what that looks like. I think that looks better. And if you decide that's not working very well for you to be able to collect them all, you can go back to the slime creature and change how quickly he moves as well. That's the end of part 3.